Understanding, Ripen with Age, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, ripen with age. This is a common idiom in English, and understanding it will not only enhance your language skills but also give you insight into English-speaking cultures. Let's dive in. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In English, idioms are often used to express complex ideas in a simple and picturesque way. Ripen with age is one such idiom. The phrase, ripen with age, is used to describe something that becomes better or more valuable as it gets older. Just like fruit becomes sweeter and more flavorful as it ripens, certain things or people are perceived as improving over time. This idiom can apply to objects like wine or cheese, or to abstract concepts like wisdom and experience. 1. Wine and cheese. This wine will ripen with age, developing a richer flavor. 2. Skills and wisdom. Like fine wine, his storytelling skills have ripened with age. 3. Career growth. Her career ripened with age, as she gained more experience and expertise. When talking about antiques or collectibles, this painting will only ripen with age, becoming more valuable. In discussing personal growth, I believe my decision-making has ripened with age. Regarding relationships, their friendship has ripened with age, growing stronger over the years. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, ripen with age, and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, and they can really add flavor to your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll find that your language skills will also ripen with age. See you in the next video.